So NFL fandom took a very violent turn over the weekend when a man died after getting into a fight during the Patriots-Dolphins game. Witnesses say 53-year-old Dale Mooney approached a group of fans. They started tussling, then one fan emerged from the bunch and punched him. And after that, witnesses said Mooney just went out. He was pronounced dead at a hospital, and in a statement, the Norfolk District Attorney's Office said the autopsy did not suggest traumatic injury, but they did identify a medical issue. With me now is attorney and criminal law specialist Lou Shapiro. Lou, thank you very much for being here. It seems to me like if the autopsy said no traumatic injury, that charges would be a lot harder to file in this case. Are they off the table, or is there still a way that someone, the person who punched him, could face charges?
So it's not a simple issue. See, the issue is if there was a punch and the person then fell and died as a result, the question is, was it foreseeable that from one punch somebody falls, gets killed? Was that something that was in the realm of foreseeability? And the more foreseeable it is, the more likely the person who did this could be on the hook for it. So I think the answer is yes on this one. If you can connect the two, but for that punch this person would not have died. We know people can fall from a punch and get killed. This person can be on the hook for it.
Even in lieu of that, can the family sue? I mean, is there someone else who could be responsible for damages here?
So what we see in these situations is what's called a wrongful death suit. The suit is brought by the family of the decedent. And in this case, we will see multiple defendants, not just the fan, but also the stadium and the team, because you can sue many people at once, and other people, and many people are liable at the same time to collect from their called deep pockets or insurance companies that are backing them up.
So if NFL organizations, stadiums could ultimately be responsible here, what should they be doing right now?
So that's a great question. It circles back to the issue of foreseeability. Is it foreseeable that NFL teams should be on the lookout or aware or expect fans to go at it with one another to prevent great bodily injury or death? Before this incident happened, they could argue this is unprecedented, so we can't be on the hook for it. Moving forward, though, I think we will be expected to see more security, manning the seats front and back, more eyes, more cameras, and maybe even serving less alcohol, because oftentimes alcohol plays into these kinds of fights and so forth.
That's such a good point. And we have seen so much attention in the last 5-10 years or so on the rough and tumble nature of this sport. It seems like the nature of it changes a little bit now, not just for players, but for people up there in the stands. So it's interesting insight. And Lou Shapiro, I really appreciate your insight for it. And by the way, on a lighter note, I will also commend your ability to multitask. It would seem you are on the go today, and I appreciate that you pulled over and made time for us despite your busy schedule. Thank you very much, Lou.
Anything for Scripps News. You got it.
We appreciate it, sir. Thank you.